the most delicious moment of the week. Yes? I invite us to step into this moment with an awareness that this is our time. Our time to allow our minds to do what they do, allow our minds to conjure up random thoughts, to-do lists, busy things. Let's just allow our mind to do that and bring our focus to our core, to our divine nature, to our heart space, to the breath. Buddhist monk Thich Nhat Hanh taught that with 3 complete breaths, we come home to ourselves. We come home to the body. We come home to spirit. We come home to the ethers. A complete breath drawing in oxygen through the nostril and exhaling through the mouth. And another. Can we notice the rhythm of the heartbeat, the rhythm of the breath, the rhythm of the activity of spirit in us as us? There is one presence, one mind, one heartbeat, and that is the spirit that birthed billions of individual expressions of this presence. Ever so gently, we follow the breath. And if for a moment our thoughts take center stage, we return our mind to the rhythm of the breath, to the rhythm of the heartbeat, and to the beautiful sound of silence. As we lift our consciousness in this collective field, we are aware of the rippling consciousness of healing, of wholeness, of unity, knowing that in this moment we are fully supported. The truth is, despite any outer appearance, the truth is we do live in a friendly universe. Universe is on our side. The universe rushes to support our highest good and the highest good of all on the planet. So as we move from this moment, let us please, please hold in our hearts this truth. Spirit is in the midst. Spirit is in the midst. And so it is. And so we let it be. Amen.